What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here on Smith Lake trying to search for some spotted bass. Had a big tournament up at the ramp. We got out here before they launched, before the sun came up. We've actually already been fishing for a little bit. Caught a whole bunch of small ones on our first spot. But anyways, what I'm out here doing is I'm getting ready. This is a weekend before the Toyota series starts. Obviously you're seeing this video probably several weeks after this is filmed, but I haven't been out here in a while. I'm fully expecting the largemouth to be bedding, so I think it's going to be a fun day up shallow. Hopefully fishing docks with a wacky rig, little shaky head, finesse tactics with a little bit of casting rod. So for you guys that are anti-spinning rodders, stay tuned because we might be flipping some beds for some big heads. We're going to mosey on down the lake, try to see if we can figure out what's going on out here. Got him. Good one. Well, he's not as good as I thought he was.
He looked like a monster.
First fish on the shaky head.
Did he just take it or did he bite it?
He just took it. He's not a keeper.
Going real slow.
Yeah. There he is. That one might. No. He is small. 2 casts in a row. Little dudes.
Well, those are males, ain't they? Makes you wonder if the females are already up here on bed.
It could be.
That's where I always catch them on bed in this little stretch.
There's fish blowing up out here.
Pretty sure that was it. Got the boat. What are you throwing?
Green pumpkin red. That was a quick release.
Really?
Hey, there's a deer. Here, swimming across the water right there. You barely see his head.
Way out there or close?
Nah, about 30 yards off the bank. Look, you not see that? Not got a fish.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
We got a little baby. There's a deer swimming across the water. Might have to go look for him on the live poke. Uh-oh. Oh, that feels like a decent one. I think he's small. They just got some fight. Just got some fight. Yeah, that one was a lot deeper.
That may be all I was getting bit on. May have just felt.
Dang. I just had a bite. That's about where I got bit. There you go. Drag not set.
Close. I think it's just over.
Yeah, I think that's a keeper.
It's so inferior.
Oh,
Oh no.
that was a freaking good one.
That's a reel it up. Just reel it.
You really got a bite? Uh-oh.
Oh, it came off.
Dude.
Oh.
That was 2 different fish. Me and Dad just both lost 2 that felt really good. The same, like, we both casted at the same time. So it's 2 different fish. See if we can catch him again. Oh, there he is. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm coming back there. That's a good one. Shoot, there's a freaking boat. Cast. There, act like you're doing something. There's a boat. God, that's a very nice fish right there. I told y'all they was biggins. Lost 2. 3-pound spot. God, that was fun.
Is that a fish? Holy smokes. Dang, that's a pretty good one. Oh.
That was a keeper. Yeah.
Did you get a look at it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Got him? You better reel, son. Is that a good one?
Decent.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
I feel like this wind keeps changing directions. Oh crap, I just had one. So if we had a 2 3/4 or a 2-pounder, that's 4 3/4. 2. Oh. I thought he was gonna be bigger too. That's, man, I ain't caught a fish in a while. That's a good one. He should be a keeper. Not a very big one. For sure, a keeper. This thing does look like a snake. Reel, 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 reel. It looks like a good one. Keeper. Dad, decent keeper. Got him. Another little one. Oh, there's another one. Found the nursery. I don't know what is going on with this reel, but it sounds awful. Another one. Oh, that's a good one. A better one. It's 3 casts in a row. Let's see if that one's a keeper. I don't think he is. Actually, I know for a fact he's not. Man, it's so hard to tell if these fish are big or not. These dadgum spotted bass, dude, they fight like crazy. Almost every one I lean into, especially with the spinning rod, feels like it's a 3 or 4 pounder when it turns out to be like a 12-incher. But yeah, they are super duper hungry. Eating very good today. I've probably caught close to 30 fish now, maybe more. I don't know. We caught a bunch of small fish, a bunch of slots. I think we might have caught 6 keepers. So I mean, we're catching a bunch of fish, so I'm getting an idea of what they're doing. I definitely thought they were going to be further along in the spawn, but it looks like as of now, you know, I've fished a lot of shallow areas and they're just not there. I mean, I think it's late, even as crazy as it sounds with all this warm weather we've had. I thought it was going to be early. You know, the water's been up for a while, but you know, these fish are still hesitant to pull up. And there was a full moon 2 nights ago, so definitely not what I was expecting. But by the time of my tournament next week, it should be jam up shallow. There's one. Oh crap, my reel sounds horrible. I don't know what's going on with it. All right guys, with that, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. We caught a ton of fish. Not many keepers, I think maybe 6 or 7 keepers, but a ton of fish, and these fish are moving into these areas that I'm fishing. So like I said earlier in the video, I've got the Toyota series coming up next week. So I think these fish are moving towards me and hopefully gonna get in the shallower areas that I fished today but didn't have much luck in. So be on the lookout. Gonna have one more practice video that come out, and it's going to be from the day before the Toyota series starts. And then the Toyota series is Thursday and Friday for sure, and then if I make the top 25, I'll fish Saturday. So be on the lookout for those videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.